Hi.
Okay, so we're doing dares in the snow. It's gonna be cold, and I don't want to be here. Oh, let's get it.
Yay. Punishment.
Woo!
Okay, so we're gonna rock, paper, scissors for who gets to go first. Okay? And no, there is no winner. We are punishing ourselves for your amusement, so you better hit the like button.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Gosh darn.
I win!
Ah!
Let's go!
Oh,
Okay.
it's gonna be a disaster.
So I am daring Justin first. So Justin, if you will follow me over here to this table, I've got a pretty good idea of what we're gonna do. As you can see, we've got a bunch of snow on the table. You are going to go face first right over there, and I'm going to put all the snow right on you, on your face. That's how it's gonna go.
I don't want to do that.
Too bad! Ow. Okay, Justin is in position.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna take all this snow.
Is it recording?
Yes, it's recording. I had to take off my glove. Okay, I'm gonna put all this snow right on him. Back off. Back off.
You said
Back
it's fine.
There you go. Now he's in position. All right, ready?
Yeah.
This snow feels so good.
Go.
We're gonna go. Hold up, hold it there. Hold it. Hold it.
Ah.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. First dare, right there.
Gotta move.
Yeah, you can move now. So, how do you feel?
I can't see. Oh god, that's cold.
Okay, your turn now. Your hat.
Okay, so the my there is, why would you follow me this way?
Sure. We're gonna just.
You're gonna have to come right here. You're gonna have to do a head spin.
Head spin.
Yeah.
I have no clue how to do that.
Well, you're gonna figure it
I
out.
don't think I can physically spin on my head.
Well, good luck.
Okay, sure. So, wait, real quickly, why don't you demonstrate what you want me to do?
Demonstrate.
Yeah, because I'm not
I
entirely
want you to stick your head into the ground,
Uh-huh.
put your feet up in the air, and try spinning.
Okay, right here?
Over there.
Here? Okay, so what do you want me to go on my head? Boom.
That was terrible.
Well, I can't do any better.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Try.
Sit down.
No, you.
No.
Hey.
That was my best head spin of my entire life. Probably not, actually. I used to be able to do it pretty well.
Hey.
But I can't do it anymore.
Fine. Okay, what's next?
All right, my turn. Follow me this way. I'm saving that trampoline for later. First, we're going to this tree. Okay, you're gonna stand under the tree. I'm gonna shake it. All this snow is gonna fall right on you.
Okay.
Okay?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
I call this one the avalanche. Ow. Okay. Step forward. Man, it's really icy. All right. I wonder how I'm gonna do this. I never actually saw this through. You wanna back up a little bit?
Nope.
Too bad. Back up some. Wow, how's that?
No, it's not that bad.
Okay, fine. I
Okay.
think that affected me more than it affected you. What do you want me to do?
I want you to go in there. I'm gonna bury you in snow.
I see. Oh my god, dude. Oh no! Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh, I'm worried this trampoline is actually gonna break.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's frozen.
Go back there.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I am gonna fall in. This thing is ice right now.
Claustrophobia sound. What is claustrophobia sound? What's your name, kid? Tony. Okay, stop Tony. Oh my god. Stop Tony. Ow! Ow! There we go.
Are you daring me or just my head?
You. Okay, let's see the final results. So, that's my head.
Want to give a good score here?
Oh, I can't. Sam can't get in.
Don't get in, just slide left.
Okay, you can get up now.
Oh. Ah. That was a lot of snow in my oh gosh. Snow in my neck.
Escape!
That was okay. Here's what you are gonna do. You're gonna take off your gloves.
No.
Fill them up with snow.
Like my gloves?
Your gloves. You're gonna fill your gloves up with snow.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you are going to put your hands in the snow for 10 seconds. Enjoy this. If it fits.
It's not gonna fit.
Hold on,
Yeah, show us the right gloves.
We're gonna. I can't actually put that in there. Just gonna drop it in there. Drop some more. Drop some. Right, that missed. Drop some more. This is really hard. Okay, now we're gonna crunch it up.
Can I step on it?
Yeah, step on it. Do it. Excellent. Now put it on. Or do you want to stick your hands in the snow? Okay, just put it on. How do you feel?
Good. 10,
Great.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ow.
Oh wow, they all just came out at once.
Yeah, but
Well,
now
it
your
sucks for you. I have another pair of gloves.
What?
Yeah. Hate to break it to you, but he's got played. Okay. You ready for this?
Yeah.
You have to let me put snow in your hat,
I'll bet.
and you have to put it on, leave it there for 20 seconds.
Okay. Go for it.
Okay. Let me see your hat.
If I can get it off me. Oh my gosh. Ow. I just You want to show the camera what we're doing here? You got that. This will be fun. This is gonna be easy.
You say
Easy work.
that. Okay. You ready?
Alright.
Yeah, I got you. I got you.
Oh, you're putting it on?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we got this.
Okay.
It's not gonna fit. Ow! Ow, my head.
1, 2,
Oh, this is easy.
3,
Oh, yes.
4,
Oh, that just hurts.
5,
Oh, my
6,
head is throbbing now.
7,
This is easy
8,
work.
9,
Easy. Easy.
12, 13, 15,
This was
16,
so easy.
17, 18. I'm getting ready to take it off.
No, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off. Oh, shoot. Alright, on to the next one. If you can see here, we've got a nice rim of snow. You're gonna go, okay, face first.
Mm-hmm.
And you are gonna drag your face all the way around the entire thing.
Alright.
Face first.
Alright.
Face first. That's not face first.
My face is...
Your face better
My
be full.
nose is hurting.
Alright, you're gonna go all the way around. Drag it. Drag the snow.
Where's the pole?
It's coming. Ow. Go around the pole. Back in there. Drag it. Keep going. Keep going. You're not even close to halfway there.
Are you ready to pull? Oh, there's the pull. Keep it going. Hey. Move your hand. There you go. Drag it. That's the one there left. I just feel that his face full of snow. I know it's worse. You're talking in the snow. Definitely be talking. Keep going. That's the pull. Okay, what's that?
You're almost there. You're like halfway done.
Woo!
I think he's pretty much done with this game.
Where's the pull? Not there yet. You're pretty far from it. You're almost there. There you go. There's the pull. Go around. Face first. There you go. No. Keep going. You're almost there. You're about halfway. Where's the pull? No, the pull's not there yet. Keep going. You're almost at the pull. There's the pull. Excellent. Keep going.
Keep it going. We don't have all day here.
I made it yet?
You finished. I actually made you do a little extra.
You!
Yeah,
Okay,
you're
for the
welcome.
Mi's final dare.
Not final, fourth day.
Fourth dare. I'm gonna put snow down his shirt.
Oh, that's great. I love the
You need
feeling
to
of.
wait there for 30 seconds.
I love the feeling of ice down
Okay,
my
you
shirt
got
in
it, I
the
don't
morning.
do it.
All right, which front or back?
Front
Oh,
and
front.
back.
And back. Sure.
Yeah.
All right, what do you want me to do? Here. This.
Yep. I'll teach you the snow you need. Oh. I'll tell you when that's enough. So start putting that in. We're gonna use all the snow that I gathered for you.
All right. Well, this should be pretty easy.
He says that.
Okay, that's fine. I could do this all day.
Okay, keep going then.
All right, what else we got? Okay, I've got snow everywhere. It hurts.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Ow. This is not gonna be done anymore.
Just take your jacket off.
I'm taking my jacket off.
Why?
What do you think I am?
I'm not gonna push you in the snow. I would never.
Alright, I'm ready. It's your turn, young man. Alright, do me a favor. This one isn't as bad as the trampoline one, but we're gonna make it there. Sit down in the snow, please.
Sit.
Lay down, matter of fact.
Where?
Right over there, face first. So, lay flat, lay flat, lay flat. So you did the snowman challenge to me, right?
I did.
This is a more concentrated version of the snowman challenge.
Concentrate.
It's concentrated on your face.
No.
Okay, pretty much that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, he's gonna stand here. He's gonna move his hand. I'm gonna concentrate a bunch of snow on his face. Hey, get back down here. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. We're not done yet, young man. Get back here. And no hands this time.
Sorry on my face.
There you go. Hold it there. Hold it there. There you go. Keep it there. Keep it there.
Oh, God.
Alright, we're gonna have the camera take a look at you now.
Oh, my God. So cold.
I missed a spot. I'm sorry.
Ow. It hurts. It's sharp.
Alright, congratulations. You've been through your 5 dares.
Ow. Jeez, that was miserable.
What's
Well-
your final challenge for me?
I was going to do the same thing, but
Yeah, you can't do the same thing. That's cheating.
Okay, take off your jacket, your big puffy jacket.
My jacket? Why?
Yeah.
What do you want from me?
You'll see.
Alright, let's... Can't take it off.
Struggling.
Okay, we got the...
Okay, now I'm on the ground.
Lay on the ground?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm going to fully bury you.
But you already did that!
Yep, but I'm going to completely bury you, so just your face.
You already
And now
did
you're not going to
that!
have your jacket or gloves.
Or
hat.
gloves?
Yep. And your hands are going to stay on your side or they can be on your face. Your choice.
My face.
Yeah, okay, so lay down. Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Here? This little...
Yep.
Oh my god. Oh, okay, we're gonna be smart about this.
Alright.
Alright.
Once you stay in position, you can't move. Oh. Let's get the burying. Okay. Shovel.
Oh my gosh, no shuffling! We're... That hurts sick. Ow.
Now we gotta get the viewers so they can see.
Oh my word. This is so bad. Oh.
So let's look at the finishing touch.
Like the video. Do it.
And before you can get off of it, we need to get a good close up.
Oh.
We're gonna go here. Take off your shoes.
Oh no, 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 no. Hey, that wasn't part of it. That wasn't part
That
of
was
it.
a part of it.
That wasn't part of it. Oh. Ow. Ow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I should bury your shoes.
No. Hey. Hey. Get back here. Oh no.
Thanks for watching the video.
Oh man. Woo! Like the video.